In today's AI ecosystem, every model lives in its own little bubble. LangChain agents, LangGraph agents, or even OpenAI's custom GPTs, they all have unique characteristics, different tool integrations, and different communication standards. So, if you wanted OpenAI GPT to interact with a local API or a LangGraph pipeline, good luck. You'd have to manually integrate them, handle authentication, and maintain compatibility through endless updates. It is quite messy, inefficient, and it slows down innovation. So, the model context protocol is an open standard that aims to solve this chaos. Think of it as a USB port for AI agents, a universal connection that allows any model from any provider to access external tools, databases, or APIs or a consistent language using a consistent language. So, in simple terms, we can say that MCP provides a bridge between AI models and real world so that different systems can finally work together without friction. Now, this is huge for developers, researchers, and enterprises because with MCP, you can build agentic systems that are modular and reusable. You can also create cross model integration. For example, a LangGraph agent can call an OpenAI GPT function directly. You can also maintain security and privacy since the protocol defines clear permissions as well as the context boundaries. And most importantly, you can standardize AI development so you can focus on building smarter agents rather than recoding the same integrations again and again. So imagine your AI assistant connecting instantly to your calendar, Slack, Notion, or even your company's private database, all using MCP. Or think of an or think about an AI pipeline where OpenAI, Anthropic, and local models all collaborate to complete a single workflow efficiently. That's not a dream anymore. That's the power of modal context protocol. So, as we move deeper into the era of agentic AI, MCP will become the backbone of interoperability. Just like the Internet Unified Communication, MCP will also unify intelligent collaboration between AI systems. And in this series, we'll explore exactly how it works, how you can implement MCP, connect different models, and bring your AI agents to life in a production environment. So, if you're passionate about AI engineering, agent frameworks, or interoperability, stay tuned because this is where the future of connected intelligence begins.